dog. We went through all the paperwork. We can't find who's, they don't have a parking permit.
Okay.
So I'm going one by one through the computer records and I'm not seeing anything.
Okay.
But it's down there, the car is running, and you can see him in there. He's going crazy trying to get out of them.
Okay. Can one of you guys just take me to him? Thanks.
The manager on duty, he opened his door to see if there was anybody in there unconscious or anything. The AC's running, but it's hot.
Yeah.
There's a dog in there.
Okay.
So yeah, he said it's been running since 6 o'clock.
Gotcha. Well, what I'll do is I'll run the tag on the car, give you guys a name, and we can see if there's anybody staying here in that room, or it is even here under that name. This Jeep? Oh, there's actually two. There's two dogs back here. Yeah. Alright. Should come back to a white. Dogs being in there like that. The car's still running and stuff like that. It's iffy, you know. Obviously they have to be if there's AC running in there, that's a different story. So I'm gonna get in touch with my supervisor. I looked also at their bowls. So there's no food, there's no water, so that might fit criteria for making entry in the car and possibly getting them out of there if we can't locate the owners and stuff like that. Like I said, it all just depends, but I want to see if we can find them first. Are those like all the people who would have checked in today? Last name doesn't match, but that's how you spell the first name. Oh, there it is. What room is that?
1104.
1104. Okay, if I can just get one of you guys to come with me to the room, that way I can figure out what the situation is.
Do you want me to call them first?
No, I'd rather go up there in the room. Yeah.
You want to go?
Yep, I will.
Thank you. 1104. Police department!
I think he's already taken off for the night.
Hey, who's you're
Yes.
okay. So you got your ID on you?
What, may I ask what I need it for?
So that's your white Jeep downstairs?
Yes.
Okay, so here's the issue. You got two dogs in the cage, and the car's just been running. Why are we leaving the dogs in the car and they got no food and no water in their bowls?
They've had food. They've had food and water today.
Okay, why are
they taken care of?
All right, why are they just that? Why are they in the car
I
like
live in my
that?
Jeep, and I'm just staying at this resort with my family real quick for a birthday, and then
Okay.
I'm leaving tomorrow.
Okay.
They've had food and water yesterday and today.
Okay, you got your ID on you?
Why do you need it? Am I
'Cause I
being
need to know-
detained? Am
I
I
need to
being
know who I'm-
detained?
I need
Am I
to know
being
who I'm speaking-
detained?
I need to know who I'm speaking to.
I've told you. Am I being detained?
Yes, I'm doing an investigation right now. Right now, you are detained. You do need to identify yourself.
My Jeep is downstairs. I will go take care of it. I will go move it. I will do whatever I need to do.
Okay.
Am I being arrested?
Nope, you are detained though. I'm doing an active investigation.
Okay, give me
You
one
need to
moment.
provide your ID.
No, you're
No,
not
don't
allowed
do that.
inside. You're
Don't
not
do
allowed.
that. Don't do that.
I will
Just give
go
me your
get
ID,
my
man.
ID. There's people
Okay.
that are half
I'm so
naked.
sorry.
All right.
Wait, my 4-year-old's in here. My child's in.
Let me
Okay,
go
if
get
he
my
just goes
ID.
grabs his ID, we can take care of this. No problem.
He'll get you anything
I'm not
you
trying
need.
to.
I'm sorry. I don't have pants on. We were in.
You're fine.
I'm so sorry.
You're fine. Made contact with the owner of the vehicle with the dogs in the car, seeing what the deal is. He's not wanting to give me his ID.
He's getting his pants on and his belt on right now. Come on.
Okay, no worries. All right, I'll be here. Parking pass either on his car, did he? Okay, and he has that one? Okay.
Not giving it to you. You can see with your eyes. Your body cam can see with your eyes.
All right. I'm gonna let you know right now.
And we're gonna go downstairs real quick. I'm gonna move my
I'm gonna
Jeep.
let you go right now. If you don't give me your ID and my sergeant comes up here, he's on his way up here, you are going to jail. So you might as well give me your ID.
What crime have I committed? Please.
You're lawfully being detained. I'm
For
conducting
what?
an investigation.
Can you articulate the crime that I have committed?
Don't do this on my birthday.
I'm not
Give
trying
him your
to.
fucking ID right now. God damn it. It's my birthday.
Here's my ID. I'm going downstairs right now.
That's all you had to do. Fort Charlie Road in Central. Copy 194 by number.
I'm sorry that he's being like that. My dad's a police officer, and I'm sorry.
I was just trying to see what was going on. He just got all passive aggressive on me and stuff.
Sorry. I know. I apologize.
Who is it that doesn't want? Sir. Come here. What are you doing?
I'm gonna go downstairs and check on my dogs in my car real quick because.
Okay, hold on. This officer is conducting an investigation.
That's
right now, you're not going anywhere unless he tells you you can. Do you understand that?
What
Do
crime
you
have I-
understand
what
that?
crime- Can I speak?
No.
No.
Did he
So my second ID.
He just gave me his ID.
So my second
Yep.
First Amendment right, or my First Amendment right is being.
You have the right to remain.
Don't go anywhere, partner.
Hey,
don't
come
go
back
anywhere.
over.
I'm coming. Don't go anywhere. Just going right here.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. You are resisting.
Put your
I'm
hands
not
behind your back.
resisting. I'm not resisting.
Get over there.
You're saying you're not resisting doesn't mean you're not. You understand that?
Listen, I'm trying to be cordial with you.
You guys, stay inside.
What have I done? You have not articulated any crime. Please, record or something, please. Don't worry. Relax, relax.
Yeah, you need to settle down.
I said stay in the unit. Don't come out here.
Is he being arrested?
Yes.
For what?
Resisting an officer without violence. It's Florida State Statute 4302.
You guys just got
He's going to jail.
He said that somebody stepped in here.
What?
He said an officer stepped in here. You guys had no reason to. My dad is a retired Orange County officer of 30 years. I'm calling him right now.
Go ahead.
I am. You guys had no right to come in here. You did not.
Wait, okay.
You came in here. He did not resist. He gave the ID. He gave me the ID.
Definition of resistance.
Listen, I'm
Get him downstairs. Put him in the car and get him out of here.
scared.
You guys?
I'm scared. He's homeless. Please
Do
don't
not
do
come.
this. He
Do
lives in
not.
his vehicle with
Do
those
not
dogs.
follow us. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. Please don't follow us.
Please, man to man, can I please speak to you?
You have the chance to act like a civilized human being, and you
I
chose
am
to
being
be a fucking
civilized.
asshole.
I'm being
So no.
civilized, but I feel attacked, man. My dogs are down there. He came up here beating on my door. I don't know what time it is right now. I was asleep with my daughter. I'm not trying to cause no problems.
Yes,
I'm
you
not
are.
trying to
Yes, you are.
No, dude, I'm
Yes, you are.
scared.
That's all
I'm
you've
scared
done.
right now. I'm scared. Y'all came beating on the door at 10 o'clock at night with my daughter in the room. She's freaking out. I'm sorry, but I'm freaked out too. I
You can't act like a
apologize.
victim when you don't cooperate with us. We tried to explain to you
listen,
what we're doing,
me-
and you refuse to follow our instructions. Period.
I just
That's the
wanted
end
to
of the
speak.
story. Now you
The
can
only-
tell it to the judge tomorrow morning.
Sir, the only thing I was trying to ask is what crime have I committed? I wanted you to articulate that. Because that's the only thing. Besides resisting, what crime have I committed?
Stand up. Spread your feet.
I've been trying to cooperate other than the little bit of raising my voice and arguing.
Spread your feet.
I'm spreading my feet.
I told you not to keep walking away from me, and you continue
Because
to do so.
I wanted to get to the door.
resisting.
Listen, I'm
I
sorry,
don't care
sir.
what you
I
wanted to
apologize, but I'm sorry.
You're going to jail now. It's too late. Walking away. Yes.
I just wanted to get to the door so I could open it and let her hear and talk with the door open. I'm not trying to resist you guys or your investigation. So I get to go to jail instead of communicating more and taking care of the dog situation? Why? I'm not going to repeat why? I already told you that's all I'm no, you're trying to be cordial.
No, you're not. You're trying to be an asshole, and that's what you were being
I'm
upstairs.
not.
and that's
I'm apologizing to you right now, sir. What is your? Can I have your name, please?
Yes, Sergeant
Name and
Frank.
badge number, please.
445.
445. Yes, sir. Thank you. Can I apologize and can maybe we de-escalate?
Listen, man, I told you. I was
Dude,
conducting an active investigation. I told you to identify yourself. You didn't want to identify yourself. I told you if my sergeant comes up, what was going to happen? You're going to get arrested. And you did not follow his
As
lawful
soon as he
commands.
got up here, y'all got in my face, started yelling at me. Dude, I'm
Nope, you
scared.
walked away.
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
Dude, you're taller than me. You guys were raising your voices.
That, man.
No,
Right,
I'm not.
you're not gonna play the fucking victim.
No, I'm not trying to play the victim. I'm sitting here, y'all. There's 3 of y'all, man.
Yeah, it took 3 of us to get you to the ground, and you try to say you're not resisting.
Because
That's
I'm
crazy.
scared. I have an adrenaline rush right now. And I'm not trying to resist y'all and make y'all's job more difficult. I do apologize. Officer, can I have your name?
Officer Crime Interstate 551.
Sir, I do apologize.
That's fine. I accept your apology.
I apologize to both of you.
I accept your apology.
Okay.
Can we de-escalate this, please, before I get charged?
There's no going back now. You're going to jail.
The de-escalation. We had the de-escalation. You understand that?
I wasn't trying to resist y'all and make y'all have to do that. Yes, I'm scared. I apologize.
I don't care if you're scared or
I
not.
don't even realize I don't even know that was that strong. I apologize. I'm scared. My daughter's upstairs in the pounding thing.
Alright. Man, the whole reason we were trying to figure... Nope, stay in the car, put your feet back up.
I'm sorry.
What do you want done with the dogs? Do you want your girl to take them? Do you want them in the room, or... Because we need to figure out the custody with the dogs. That's the whole reason why we're here in the first place.
They're my dogs, my girl's dogs. So I'd like her to be able to deal with that, please. Can I talk to her?
Okay.
Can I talk to her, please?
Not right now.
Can you ask her to come
Tell
downstairs?
10 the car's actually unlocked.
I need to be able to communicate her. That's the mother of my child.
Yeah, my other officer's going to communicate with her, all right?
I know, but can I speak with her, please?
Not right now.
Why?
This is what I was trying to avoid, man.
I know,
wasn't coming off as an asshole to you or
I know,
nothing.
but I'm scared, man. I'm so sorry.
You have every right to be
apologize.
scared, but...
I do apologize. The pounding on the door.
But
So the dogs, they can't keep them in the room. They said if they try to take them in the room, they're going to be evicted.
Okay.
So they can either take the dogs somewhere else, or we can take them to our facility and hold them for the night. And you guys can pick them up in the morning.
Tomorrow morning, am I gonna face a judge and be able to
Yes.
face the situation?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
And it's just resisting without violence, so you're going to be able to bond out.
It's a misdemeanor.
You're going to be able to bond out.
All right. Can you tell me what time it is right now? I'm sorry.
10:57, man. So we need to know what you want done with the dogs. That way we can go ahead and proceed, all right? So we can either take them in, or they can go with somebody else, but we cannot leave them here per the hotel staff, all right? They're not going to accept them.
Can you guys promise that nothing will happen to my dogs if y'all take them in?
Yeah.
Is there gonna
They'll
be?
be fed.
They'll be
dogs will
fed.
taken care of.
They'll be
They've eaten
monitored.
today, so I don't think they need to be eaten. They don't need to be fed.
You told me they were fed, right?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. I've given them food and water.
How long ago was that you fed them in the water?
I fed them at like 5 p.m. I give them
It's in
one
the
feeding
downstairs
per day.
garage on like the south side.
I feed them one time per day. I fed them roughly around 5 p.m.
Okay, so you want us to take them?
Am I gonna have to pay to get them out? Is there like a fee for that?
I'm not
The best
sure.
option, in my opinion, would be to have them take the dogs
I would have them take
Elsewhere.
the dogs.
somewhere that they can keep.
Yeah.
If you can communicate that with them, have them take the vehicle elsewhere, park it elsewhere with the animals.
What's up?
If you can have them.
He wants them to take
My
them.
mouth is very dry. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. We'll communicate with them, man.
All right.